Welcome! In this video, we'll take you on a quick tour of the Vantage interface to help you get familiar navigating the platform and using its key features. To begin this journey, start by logging into Vantage. You will land on the main page, where you can upload documents, access the skill catalog, or create your own skill. We'll return to this shortly, but first, let's take a look at the Help section. Under Documentation, you'll find resources such as release notes, skill creation instructions, and a quick start guide. The About section shows your Vantage instance version information, terms of service, and privacy and cookie policies. Next, let's see how Vantage understands documents by uploading an invoice for testing. As soon as it's uploaded, Vantage automatically selects the most appropriate skill. But let's stop here. You might ask, what are skills? Vantage skills are complex AI models and workflows that extract business-critical information. You will learn about skills in more detail in the upcoming lessons. Back to our invoice. Let's see what happened with the document. Click on Review to open the Result Review screen and verify that the fields were captured correctly and all extracted data is accurate. Now, let's head over to the skill catalog. You'll find a wide range of pre-built skills here ready to use, so it's worth checking the catalog before creating and training a skill from scratch. Let's see what the Bill of Lading skill can do. Click Try. On the right, you'll see the Actions panel suggesting the next steps. In this case, it's uploading documents. The Actions panel might be helpful whenever you are unsure about what to do next. For each Vantage component, it provides specific guidance by outlining the required steps for the user. Let's return to the Skill Catalog and check out the next feature. In the Skill Monitor tab, you can check your transaction statistics. In our testing environment, if we select the default process skill, you can see that it has processed over 150 transactions so far. Let's take a closer look. On the Transactions tab, you can see throughput, queue, duration, and general transaction statistics for any skill. You can filter the data by selecting a desired time period or applying additional filters such as status or stage. The error log displays recent system errors and warnings, such as failed imports or script issues. You can see that there are no errors in this Vantage tenant now. Next, the Subscription tab shows your license details, such as how many pages you can process and how many are left. Now let's open the Skill Designer, where you can create your own skills from scratch. A classification skill, a document skill, an OCR skill, or a process skill. As mentioned earlier, we'll explore each of these in more detail later in this course. Let's take a quick look at data catalogs. They enable document skills to automatically match extracted field values to structured reference data, improving data consistency and reducing the need for manual review. Here you see all existing catalogs, their structure, and the skills that use these catalogs. In the Manual Review client, you'll find documents flagged for manual review. Here you can verify and, if needed, correct extracted data and resolve any business validation rule issues. Fields requiring attention are highlighted, allowing you to focus your review before the document proceeds. In the Users tab, you can manage user accounts, add or delete users, edit user information, or resend invitations if you have the necessary permissions. Finally, the Configurations tab is where you can see the general tenant information or set up identity providers. You can also set up API clients, access the security log, create environment variables, and enable IP restrictions. And that's it. Now you know the basics of navigating the Vantage interface.